Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you've been hearing a lot about Omnisend but aren't quite sure what it's best used for, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what Omnisend excels at and how it can supercharge your e-commerce marketing. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your strategy, this video's got you covered. Alright, let's kick things off with the big one, email marketing. Omnisend is a powerhouse when it comes to email campaigns. It's best used for creating professional, eye-catching emails without needing to be a design pro. The drag-and-drop builder makes it easy to craft emails that look great and convert. Plus, you can personalize your emails to make sure they resonate with your audience. Think product recommendations, special offers, and more. Next up, automation. If you want to save time and still stay engaged with your customers, Omnisend's automation features are a game changer. You can set up workflows like welcome series for new subscribers, cart abandonment reminders, and post-purchase follow-ups. Once these are set up, they run automatically, nurturing your customers and driving sales while you focus on other parts of your business. Another area where Omnisend shines is SMS marketing. Yep, it's not just about emails. Omnisend lets you integrate SMS into your marketing strategy seamlessly. You can send text messages to your customers for things like order confirmations, shipping updates, or even flash sales. It's an excellent way to keep your audience in the loop and drive more immediate action. Quick reminder, if you're intrigued by what you're hearing and want to see how Omnisend can work for you, there's a link in the description for a free trial and a discount on your subscription. It's a great opportunity to explore these features firsthand. Now, let's talk segmentation and targeting. Omnisend is best used for sending the right message to the right people. With its powerful segmentation tools, you can divide your audience based on behavior, purchase history, and engagement levels. This means you're not just blasting the same message to everyone. You're tailoring your communication, which leads to better engagement and more conversions. And finally, Omnisend is fantastic for integrations. It connects smoothly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. This means all your customer data is synced up, allowing you to create personalized marketing campaigns based on real-time actions, like when a customer browses a specific product or abandons their cart. So, what is Omnisend best used for? In a nutshell, it's your go-to for creating targeted, automated, and multi-channel marketing campaigns that drive results. Whether you're focusing on email, SMS, or both, Omnisend has the tools to make your marketing more effective and less time-consuming. If you're ready to give Omnisend a try, don't forget to check out the link in the description for that free trial and discount. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Got any questions or thoughts on Omnisend? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.